Okay, so we're gonna take a look at how we can unpivot data. And so first of all, maybe we have some source data here, and it's some orders for some office products. And we got customer name, country, the product that was sold, and the sales channel, and the amount. And maybe someone's gone and made a pivot table out of that, and they've added customer name and country and sales channel into the rows. So we have those dimensions going down the rows, and then maybe they've added the product across the rows and added the total as the values. And now we have something like this, where we have a column for each of our products. And so this is pivoted data. So it's a pivot on our original source data. And maybe what's happened is they've gone and copied this. So it's now no longer a pivot table, it's just some hard-coded data in a sheet. And maybe we don't have access to the pivot table or source data anymore. Is there a way to get back to the source data or something similar to the source data? And the answer is yes. It's pretty easy actually with Power Query. So if we go up to the Data tab and do a Power Query from table or range and make sure we get all our data there, and press OK. And now when we see the data in our Power Query editor, what we want to do is select all the product rows, the stuff we want to unpivot. And you can do that by clicking on the first one and then holding Shift and then clicking on the last one. And now if we right click and we can select Unpivot Only Selected Columns, it will get us back to where we were with our source data. And now it's gone ahead and named these columns attribute and value, but we can just do a double click and rename them. Press Enter, double click, and Enter. And now what we can do is close and load that, and it's going to load into a new sheet. And there we go. We have basically our source data back. So that's pretty cool and also pretty easy.